What is up? What is up? What is up? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to my channel. This is a part of my NFT series. Me learning how to just do everything, how to understand it, how to read them, how to profit from them, how to upload them, and all that shit. So with this video, I just searched up Hustle Millennial. I think that's how I say his name. I don't know. And it's about him talking about how you can upload straight to the NFT platform blockchain via contract. So that will save a lot more money and it'll be faster, and you'll be able to hopefully skip some gas fees, I'm assuming. This was uploaded a couple days ago. Let's get it. I'm going to write notes on the side so we can see and learn together. Let me just set this up. Okay, so we have notes over here. Say hi. Done. Okay, now let's go. Let's
We're going to be talking about how you can mint or buy an NFT directly from a collections contract. Now, you can ask maybe why you want to do this, and well, there's a couple answers that are really simple. If there's an upcoming NFT project and you know there's a high demand for it and there's a chance you might not get one because of that demand, well, there is a way that you can somewhat get in the front of the line, and this isn't talking about pre-sale, and you can also kind of avoid those extreme gas wars. So
There we go. There we go.
Most people, while they are going to the website and minting from the front end DApp right there where you can mint on their website, I am going through the back road essentially and minting directly from the contract. This means I am not going to be competing as heavily with the gas war, and I don't know why it works that way, but I am paying minimal gas for these projects that I'm minting, and I'm also getting in about 30 to 60 seconds before minting opens on the front end app or on their website. So if there's a project that I really want to get into, I usually have about a 90% chance to get in there because I'm minting directly from the contract and I'm saving myself some gas fee.
So, oh shit.
The sevens as an example.
So for those who don't understand what he's saying, basically you have the blockchain, which will be the Ethereum blockchain, and you're trying to put something onto that blockchain. Just you assume a chain, yeah, links like that, blah blah blah. That's the blockchain. All of them next to each other. To put it on there, you have to ask to get put on this thing, and you pay, and it's called gas fees. But the thing is, because there's only a finite amount of gas fees. Blockchain, chain in whatever, you have to wait in line. But what he's saying is, when they open up so that you can put stuff into the chain, he can kind of skip people, or he can skip time. I'm assuming that's what he's saying. I'm still new. And also, with that being said, because you're skipping all these people, you're not having to pay so much, and that's one of the benefits of minting straight to the chain or via contract.
And if you want to get to the actual contract of any collection, you can go to click on something in the collection.
Those are nice.
Go down to
Those are nice.
details, and you can see contract address. So once you click that, it will bring up a page that looks like this.
Okay. So what is it? Find NFT. Click address. Just say Addy, and then it'll go send you to this page.
Just make sure the tracker is the actual thing you're trying to mint. So in this case, the sevens.
Oh, also, yeah, so people might put on fake things. So there's a thing where you look at like CryptoPunks. If you don't know CryptoPunks, please search them up. They'll help you get motivated into learning about NFTs. But people make copies of them and fakes, and then when they go, and if they won't know, but the tracker isn't the person who made the crypto. punks, it'll be someone else, and that'll show it's a fraud. Now you're not buying a fraud JPEG, you're just buying a fraud picture. You're not buying the authentic one, you know what I mean? So check, let's say, check tracker. By all means, you don't need to write down what I'm writing down, but if you want, maybe it'll help you. I don't know.
Token or sevens. Now, it'll be quite confusing, and you can see someone right here 51 minutes ago actually tried to mint directly from the contract. Of course, it's not going to work as there is no more minting to occur with the sevens. So I'm not sure what exactly they're doing. As you can see, all these are still pending and have been for a very, very long time, as the sevens minting is already complete. If you want one, you have to get it on OpenSea. But if you go to this page, they will all have this upper.
So what he's saying there is, when the person first made it, they had a finite amount. So let's say 1,000, and then they put it up for sale, and then 1,000 people brought one each, or maybe 5 brought 5, or whatever. Yeah. But once all that 1,000 is minted, you can't mint no more. Now you have to buy from the people who have minted. You know what I mean? So if I buy a pack of cards, 52 cards, I have all 52. Now the only way you can get one is if you buy from me. You can't just go get another pack of 52 of my cards. Yeah.
Pretty similar, and what we're wanting to look at is the contract. And this is essentially the Solidity code or the Solidity contract that runs this collection. Now in here, we're going to go, there's 3 sections: code, read contract, and write contract. We're going to go over to write contract. And
Okay.
we'll move to this page of a bunch.
Click. Oh God. Contract. Then what did he say? Write code. Write code. Yep.
Different drop downs, and this should be universal throughout all collections that you're trying to mint from. Now there's going to be a lot of things that you see on here, but there's only one drop down that we're worried about, and that is in this case number 4, where it says mint tokens. We're going to click on mint tokens, and it's going to drop down this menu with 2 spots. So what this means, we're going to first look at count uint 256, and the uint 256 is the actual token itself, right? So if you're looking at the sevens, this guy right here is a uint 256. Now if we are wanting to mint one of these, we're going to type in 1, and if you're wanting to mint more, of course, type in more. Now payable amount in Ether, this is going to be the mint fee, which the collection owner or the front end app, either on Discord or right there on their website, you can see what their mint price is. In the case of the sevens, it was 0.07. So this is all you need right here if you want to mint 1. Now you have to make sure that in this payable Ether section, you enter the specific mint amount for the collection you're trying to mint. So if you're trying to mint a collection or an item from a collection that has a 0.05 mint fee, you would put 0.05 in here. If it's 0.1, you would put 0.1. And you need to scale this for every token you want to buy. And you need to make sure it's accurate, or you will use your gas fee when trying to mint. Now say you wanted to mint multiple, so if I wanted to mint, say, 3 of the sevens, knowing that the sevens payable amount is 0.07 for each one, the payable amount would then become 0.21, or 7 times 3, or rather the 0.07 times 3. Now again,
Point.
You can see where I'm going here. Depending on the payable mint price, any amount of tokens you want to mint.
So for those who don't know, the point whatever is in ETH. Yeah, so 1 ETH, 2 ETH, 0.5 ETH. That's what he's talking about. He's not talking about $0.28 or $0.7. Talking about ETH. Just
accordingly. Now, once you have the amount you want to mint and the correct payable Ether amount, you will click write, and once you click that, it will bring up the MetaMask prompt where you will then pay your gas fee, and once you pay your gas fee, you will get the tokens you paid for. So this is just a way that I've been ensuring that I actually get into these upcoming projects that I want to.
okay, sick.
I have found for some reason, and I'm not sure why, that I pay minimal gas fees, and I'm usually in the front of the line when it comes to minting these. There have been times where I've been watching side by side minting from contract versus minting from a website, and I will be able to mint a token or mint a UNT 256 or ERC721 token a few moments, if not 30 to 60 seconds before.
That's a lot of time in computer.
On that website that everyone else is running to get on. So I hope that helped. If it did, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, check us out on Twitter. And
Thank you, millennial. So, for those who didn't write it down, basically, if you want to buy it, find the NFT, click the Addy on OpenSea. It'll send you to Etherscan or whatever it is. Then you check for the transfer, click contract, then go to write code. And then in the write code, you find the tab that says mint token. You put in the correct amount of money and how much you want to, how many tokens you want, and corresponding with that, that's how many you get. So if you want one token out 5, a 0.5, sorry, you write one token 0.5. If you want 2 of those at 0.5, you 0.10, I guess. No, that don't make sense. Yeah, I'm pretty sure his math is off. But anyway, you understand? Thank you so much. Hold on. I appreciate that. Shout out to my Goku drink. Hey. I hope you learned something from this video. I'm learning as I make these as well, so please, if you like learning about these NFT things, please subscribe to this channel. I'm going to continue doing this with a whole variety of other topics that I can keep interested in. Thank you so much. If you want to learn other stuff about crypto, please let me know in the comment section below, and I will do my best to learn them. And you can watch me learn, and we can learn together. Namaste. Thank you so much.